In this video, you will learn how to generate this Gantt chart in Microsoft Excel. I have generated this Gantt chart using this set of data. First column shows the description, which is the division of project into different phases or different tasks. Second column shows the starting date of each phase, and third column shows the duration of each phase. If you have end date, then you can also calculate duration from starting and end date. So let's move to next sheet to start this tutorial. Firstly, click any empty cell and go to insert. In inserts, go to this bar chart option, and in bar chart option, select stacked bar chart. You can see here an empty graph is inserted here. Now right click here and go to select data option. Click on add. In series name, select starting date cell. You can also manually write it. In series value, clear existing value and select these one. Click on OK. Then again click on add and select duration cell. Clear existing value in series values and select duration. Click on OK. Now in horizontal axis label, click on edit and select descriptions data without header. Click on OK and again OK. Now you can see here we have generated this graph. Now we will start conditional formatting of this graph. Firstly, I will resize it. Now you can see here the phases are in reverse order, so I will change it. Firstly, click here, right click, go to format axis option, and in axis option you can see here there is a option of categories in reverse order. Check this. Now you can see here these are phases are alphabetically arranged. Now go to fill and line option and go to line option. I want to insert a solid line here, so I will select solid line. You can choose the color of this line. I will select black, and you can adjust the width using this option. I will select 1.5 pt. Now go to this option, which is the axis option, and from here scroll down. You will find the option of tick marks. Click here, and I want to insert tick marks on outside, so I will select outside option. Secondly, go to home. You can see here I have already selected the data labels, so I will adjust their font size, bold with black color. .5. Now click on other axis. Go to fill and line option. Firstly, I want to insert a solid line. Color black is already selected, and the width of this line should be 1.5 pt. Now go to this axis option, and from here go to tick marks, and I want to insert tick marks on outside. This one also outside. Now I will close this. Go to this plus sign. Here you will find different options. I want to remove these grid lines, so I will uncheck this option. Secondly, I want to insert chart title, so I will check this option. And if you want to insert the this is axis title, then you can check this option. I don't want to insert axis title, so I will uncheck this option. I want to insert only chart title, so I will check this one. So I also want to insert data labels, so I will also check this option. You can also insert data table using this option. So in present table I don't want to insert data labels, so I will not check this option. Now click here and adjust its font size and format. Now I want to insert a chart title. I will click here, put equal sign in formula bar, select the cell which contain title and press enter and adjust its font size according to your convenience. Now click on these bars. You can see here only the one portion of bar is selected, not the whole bar are selected. Now right click, go to format data series, and in format data series go to fill and line option. Go to fill option and select no fill. Similarly, go to border option and select no line. Now click on other side of this bar and you can adjust its color according to your requirement. For example, I want to insert a solid fill with green color and red color. Now go to this option which is the effect option, and from here I want to insert a 3D effect. In top barrel select angle option. No, I will insert any other. From here I will select round. Now I will close this one. Select these data labels, click any data labels. You can see here only these data labels are selected, these data labels are not selected. So and press backscape, these will be deleted. Now our task is to manage this extra space. So for that purpose we will adjust the minimum and maximum values. Click here, right click, go to format axis option. Now you can see here in our axis option there dates are mentioned, and here you can see here number are mentioned. So firstly we have to convert the dates into numbers, then we can adjust the minimum and maximum values. So let's start this one. Firstly you can see here the starting date is the 10th January. I will write 5 January as minimum. Similarly, you can see here the project end date is 19th May, last phase, and its duration is 30 days. So I will write 25 June as ending date. Maximum value, sorry, not ending date. Select these one, and here you will find the option of custom. In number, you will find the option of custom. From drop down menu, select numbers. You can see here these are converted to numbers. Now click here, and in minimum value I will write 44566. and in maximum value I will write 44737. Now you can see here we have successfully managed the free space. Now click again this axis, right click, go to format axis option, and here you will find the option of numbers. Click here. From here you will find the option of custom. I will select date, and you can select any format of date. For example, I want to insert this format, so I will check this one, and you can see here the format is changed. So that's the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.